Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the home of crypto, AI, hacking, coding, and the future of technology. Please like and subscribe. In an era where our lives are more intertwined with digital networks than ever before, the invisible battlefield of cyber warfare grows. This is a world where keystrokes can cripple nations, where anonymity masks the faces of attackers, and where the stakes are astronomically high. In the shadows, hacking groups rise and evolve, their identities often shrouded in secrecy. One such group is the Lazarus Group, North Korea's cyber titan. They emerged from obscurity in 2014 when they orchestrated an audacious attack on Sony Pictures. Since then, they have evolved their tactics, turning their sights on financial institutions across the globe. Not too far away, Russia's Fancy Bear has been making waves of its own. They've mastered the art of political cyber espionage, leaving an indelible mark on the 2016 US election. Their ability to manipulate and disrupt is a testament to their prowess and precision. Then we have the shadow brokers, infamous for their 2017 leak of NSA hacking tools. They've turned the cyber underworld into their marketplace, selling cyber weapons to the highest bidder, a chilling evolution in the cyber warfare landscape. Fast forward to 2021, and we see the rise of DarkSide, the hacking group responsible for the crippling attack on the Colonial Pipeline. Their focus on global energy sectors has sent shockwaves around the world, a stark reminder of our digital vulnerabilities. Parallel to this, Reveal has been wreaking havoc in the healthcare sector, deploying sophisticated ransomware attacks that have left organizations scrambling to recover. The chaos and human impact of these attacks underline the real-world consequences of cyber warfare. Then there's Anonymous, the decentralized collective that has made a name for itself through hacktivist operations against governmental corruption. Their unorthodox methods and commitment to transparency have made them a formidable player on the digital stage. As we move forward, new hacking groups continue to emerge on the cyber front, each more innovative and daring than the last. Their digital footprints are a reminder of the unpredictable and ever-evolving nature of cyber threats. In this never-ending digital struggle, the need for advanced cyber defense strategies has never been more crucial. The world of cyber warfare is a high-stakes game, one where the battlefield is constantly shifting and the enemies are ever-changing. As we step into the future, one thing is clear: the fight against cyber threats is far from over. As the cyber threats evolve, so do our defenses. In this digital arms race, artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and detect patterns, AI is helping to identify and mitigate cyber threats faster than ever before. Moreover, machine learning algorithms are being employed to predict and prevent attacks, learning from past incidents to fortify our defenses. The future of AI and cyber defense is promising, and while it may not be a silver bullet, it certainly holds the key to a safer digital world. Despite the rise of AI, the human element remains crucial in cybersecurity. It is human intuition and experience that often spots the anomalies that machines might overlook. Cybersecurity professionals play a pivotal role in threat detection and mitigation. They are the ones who make sense of the data, who understand the context, and who can adapt strategies based on emerging threats. This continuous learning and adaptation is something that, as of now, only humans can provide. So, while AI is a powerful tool, the human element in cybersecurity is irreplaceable and continues to play a vital role in our digital defense. In the end, the world of cyber warfare is a complex and ever-changing landscape. From the rise of notorious hacker groups to the advancements in AI-driven cyber defenses, the cyber battlefield is constantly evolving. It is a game of cat and mouse, where staying vigilant and proactive is key. The human element in cybersecurity, coupled with the power of AI, forms our front-line defense against these digital threats. But remember, safeguarding our digital future is not just the responsibility of cybersecurity professionals. It is a collective effort that demands awareness, understanding, and action from each one of us. Together, we can ensure a safer digital world for everyone. As we navigate our digital future, governments worldwide are stepping up their game in cybersecurity. They play a crucial role in setting the standards and regulations that guide the industry. From investing in advanced cyber defense technologies to launching cyber threat intelligence initiatives, governmental agencies are at the forefront of combating cyber threats. But the battle doesn't stop at national borders. The complexities of cyber warfare necessitate international cooperation, as cyber threats know no boundaries. The role of governments in cybersecurity is pivotal and continues to evolve, shaping our collective response to digital threats. Businesses, large and small, are often the prime targets of cyber attacks. The financial implications can be calamitous, with millions, sometimes billions of dollars lost. It's not just about money, though. The reputational damage can be equally devastating, as trust is eroded and customers look elsewhere. Let's take a look at some case studies. For instance, Yahoo's data breach in 2013, which affected 3 billion users, resulted in a $350 million reduction in the acquisition price by Verizon. The Sony Pictures hack in 2014, allegedly by North Korea, led to unreleased movies being leaked online and sensitive emails becoming public, causing significant embarrassment and financial loss. These incidents underline the need for robust cybersecurity measures to protect businesses. The impact of cyber attacks on businesses can be severe, emphasizing the critical need for robust cybersecurity measures. Remember, it's not a matter of if, but when a cyber attack will occur. As we look to the future, the landscape of cyber warfare continues to evolve. Experts predict that cyber warfare will become even more sophisticated, with potential threats ranging from AI-driven attacks to deep fakes that could cause widespread panic and confusion. We may even see cyber-terrorist attacks on critical infrastructure such as power grids or water treatment facilities, with potentially devastating consequences. With the advent of quantum computing, the field of cryptography is also set to undergo a seismic shift. All these potential threats underline the importance of staying ahead of the curve in cybersecurity. As technology advances, so too must our defenses. The future of cyber warfare is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the need for robust cybersecurity measures will only continue to grow. In the face of these evolving threats, it's more important than ever to be vigilant, proactive, and prepared. Education plays a crucial role in cybersecurity. As we navigate our digital world, it's important that we, the public, are knowledgeable about potential cyber threats. We need to understand the risks associated with our digital footprints and take appropriate measures to protect ourselves. Academic institutions also play a key role, training the next generation of cybersecurity professionals who will be on the front lines, defending our systems and data. But it's not just about formal education. The field of cybersecurity is ever evolving, with new threats and technologies emerging all the time. This makes continuous learning essential for everyone, from the average internet user to the seasoned cybersecurity professional. In this digital age, education isn't just power, it's our first line of defense against cyber threats. Ethics is a key component in the field of cybersecurity. It governs how we handle and protect sensitive data, ensuring that privacy and confidentiality are respected. Cybersecurity professionals bear a heavy responsibility, as their actions can have far-reaching implications for individuals, businesses, and even nations. They are not just tasked with protecting systems and data, but also with making ethically sound decisions in the face of potential dilemmas. For instance, in the realm of cyber warfare, they may grapple with questions about the potential harm of offensive cyber operations versus the need to defend against threats. These ethical considerations are vital, guiding us as we navigate the complex and ever-changing landscape of cybersecurity. In conclusion, the world of cyber warfare is a complex and ever-evolving landscape. As we've explored, it's clear that staying vigilant and proactive in the face of cyber threats is of paramount importance. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have crucial roles to play in cybersecurity, each with their unique strengths and challenges. In the grand scheme of things, the future of cyber warfare is unpredictable, necessitating continuous adaptation and innovation. We are in a digital arms race, where the stakes are high and the consequences far-reaching. However, with the right blend of technology, education, ethics, and human intuition, we can rise to meet these challenges head-on. Together, we can navigate the digital battlefield, safeguard our future, and ensure that the balance of power in cyberspace remains in our favor. Remember, in this digital age, everyone is a soldier on the front lines of cyber warfare. Stay safe and stay vigilant, because the fight is far from over.